Thank you.
Thank you. I'll come. Thank you.
Come on, please come. Everyone should see it. I'm also
Please have a look at all the
Hi,
artwork.
I knew I would see you here. I was just asking about you. Yeah, it's been a while. From Fuel Choppy.
Many times.
Yeah. And Priyadarshini Rao. But that's just she was behind me. But she's around.
Beyond noise. Zero. We had to come twice just to look walking in the and you look pretty as
I remember them very much.
He used to really bully me as a child, order me around, pani lao, all sort of dhamki, brother sister relationship. Yeah, really with my leg all the time.
आप तो आमिर के साथ बचपन से रही होगी तो कुछ आमिर की ऐसी बातें जो आप शेयर करना चाहें बचपन की
If you're sitting building में नीचे, तो invariably you will get a bucket of water on your head because he's watching the कौन बैठा है.
क्योंकि उनके
So prankster right from the beginning. 100 times we've been, which is a great thing, and he tries his best to make time for family. But I think once you're in a certain position of your whatever the profession, as Farhan is here, you have to try your best to strike.
Come here.
For your left side, sir. First center. Yes, sir, center.
अच्छा बस.
Karan, sir.
Thank you. Bharat. I was caught.
Hi,
here.
hello.
Sorry.
No, please.
थैंक यू डू यू थिंक जो भी वो कहते हैं हमेशा गलत किया जाता है कुछ भी जब बोलते हैं
I do feel that
Bye-bye, see you.
Thank you so much.
I see.
Just for women and children.
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Perfect. And the whole event is created by Aarti Wood. So all
Well,
of
that,
I'm just saying I don't know.
don't give me an auction block thing and a gavel.
Okay. फरहान सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस आर्ट एग्जीबिशन के बारे में?
I think the most important thing is what the art exhibition is for. You know, आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेंस डे है, तो यहाँ पर 16 आर्टिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने अपना काम शोकेस किया है, और जो भी यहाँ पर सेल होगा उसके जो प्रोसीड्स हैं या पार्ट प्रोसीड्स हैं वो एक NGO को जाएंगे जो बहुत मतलब एक्सेलेंट काम, बेहतरीन काम कर रहे हैं इन द एरिया ऑफ वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, टू स्नेहा. So it's a wonderful gesture and there's wonderful art, as you can see. It's always nice to be around good art.
सर और कुछ विश देना चाहेंगे सर आप वुमेन्स को आज वुमेन्स डे?
हाँ, मतलब मैं एक्चुअली अपने सोशल मीडिया पे विश मतलब क्या करूँ, मैं हैप्पी विमेंस डे बोल सकते हैं इसके लिए, मगर वन डे इज़ नॉट रियली द क्रूशल थिंग in thinking about women or thinking about the importance of women or the relevance of women or the value of women, you know, in your life or in the world. But let's use this day, I guess, as just some kind of a milestone where we can look back on the year and see how far we've come vis-a-vis issues that have been plaguing this half of the world's population for quite a while.
फरहान काफी टाइम बाद आपको नॉन बियर्डेड लुक में देख रहे हैं हम, and you look really smart.
Without my beard?
Yeah, this look.
आपने पहले कहा क्यों नहीं? I would have shaved earlier. Okay, thank you.
Is this for a new movie or something?
No, this is still, it's still for Rock On. We finished the majority of the work in the look that you don't like. We finished most of
No, it's
that.
not that I don't
Acha,
like, but
okay.
this is more smart.
Acha, okay, thank you. So in my less smart look, we finished most of the work, and now we have like a week's work left in which I need to be clean shaven. So this is still for the same film.
So talking about International Women's Day, do you think we've achieved that milestone in terms of Bollywood or in generally?
You know, I think it's very unfair to just single movies out, you know, because it somehow they're always an easy target to kind of comment on. But the fact is that they reflect what's happening around us also on some level. So it's important to, I mean, I feel that there is progress being made, and I feel that every year the awareness of what is going on around us, the desire to find solutions, and now actually making concrete steps, taking concrete steps towards I would say as a society, a united society, you know, to try and find solutions. That's something that's a very, very ongoing and on top of everyone's mind. And I feel that awareness is a great place to start. You know, earlier nobody spoke about it openly. It was always brushed under the carpet or never thought it was important enough for men to be discussing women's problems. You know, and now none of that applies. So I feel that that's a great place to be at.
Also, Farhan, earlier, like before this, I had asked you about Dawn 3 and you told me अब तक कुछ नहीं हुआ है, but अब finally बातें हो रही है Dawn 3 की. तो
You know, I get very nervous about saying anything about Dawn 3 because no matter what I say, people go about 17 steps ahead of me. You know, every single time. You know, it's like Dawn. They become Dawn. You know, you think you can outguess what they're going to take from your interview.
Excited about Dawn.
Absolutely. You know, I'm very excited about Dawn. Now see, that'll become the thing. Even I'm very excited about Dawn. ऐसा हो जाएगा कुछ. So let me write it. I think the important thing is firstly to write it. I have finally decided there's a thought that I have that I want to start writing. I'm already been asking when I'm going to start shooting before I've written one single word. You know, so I'll take my time and I'll do it. And there is an excitement and I appreciate it tremendously. Like everywhere I go, people do ask me about Dawn, when am I going to do it? So I appreciate that. And I'm very grateful for the fact that people are anticipating the film as and when it will happen. But it takes time.
So nothing like Priyanka won't be a part.
See, it had to come in, something or the other. I don't know. I haven't written a single word. Yeah.
Okay. Also, Farhan, 2016 has not.
I want to know in 2018 on the 22nd of July, what are you going to be doing?
Why?
Because exactly, you don't know. No? Even I don't know what is going to happen in the future. So let me write first.
Okay. Also, coming back, 2016 has not been a great year for you. Like, it has not started on a good note for you.
Why?
So we have met you after we've got the report about your parting with Aduna. So
Right. Yeah, but it's happened in a mutual way, and that's all really I'd like to say about that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can we ask you something about the art?
Yes, I think that would be actually a great thing, which is why we're here.
What do you think about the synergy of like art and fashion coming together? Do you think it works? Would you wear something that an artist has?
Well, I don't know what y'all would think of me if I started wearing anything out of these shirts.
Why the shirt
y'all
you're
might-
wearing right now?
No,
is like-
what I'm wearing personally is when you say, would I wear anything from? No, but I mean, eventually both are artistic mediums. You know, whether you're designing clothes or you're painting, it's eventually your imagination and you're creating something out of your aesthetic sense. So there is a similarity. So you'll always feel, I mean, like there is a certain synergy between the two things. Both have a lot of emphasis on form, on color, on shape, on how it makes you feel, you know, even when you look at it. So it's very similar on that level, but in different forms of artistic expression. So yeah, of course, there's a synergy.
And what did you think about our store and how it looks like, and whether the art merged with the general concept of the store?
Well, you know, if I had a little more time to just kind of walk around by myself and really take in the vibe, it would have been really nice. But yeah, whenever, between the excuse me's, I think it felt quite good. Right.
So maybe like not a question I should be asking, but would you buy any of the art you see here?
Yes, I think I will.
Thank you.
All right.
So I had one more question. I just want, like, we are making a special on Amir Khan's birthday, so I just want you to say something about Amir, you know, like just your views about Amir since you worked with Amir.
Yeah, sure. I mean, firstly, I'd like to wish him, which camera is it, this one? It doesn't matter. Yeah. So firstly, I think most importantly, happy birthday to you, Amin. And it really has been a tremendous start for me in terms of the first film that I worked on, that I had an opportunity to work with somebody like you. There's a lot that I've learned from you, and there's a lot that I've learned about commitment from you, you know, when it comes to making films. So I'm very, very thankful. And all the best. I mean, every single year you go from strength to strength, and I just hope that keeps happening with every single year. And be unstoppable like you always have been.
Thank you.